Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vikash Nera, and in today's video I will talk to you about Kumo MTA. Kumo MTA is an MTA mail server using which you can build your own SMTP server on your VPS. In this video, I am going to tell you about my course on Kumo MTA. I have created a complete course related to Kumo MTA. Kumo MTA is similar to Power MTA. It has all the features like IP rotation and more. So I have made a complete step-by-step course for it. You will get all the details on this landing page. This course is available in multiple languages. I have listed all the topics of the course here, including how many topics there are and how long each one is in minutes. This is the Kumo MTA Plus course, in which I have covered everything step by step, from creating an SMTP server to IP rotation, multi-domain, and multi-SMTP setup. How to integrate it with MailWizz. MailWizz installation and monitoring. I have covered everything in this course. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So why should you use Kumo MTA? Let me tell you, Kumo MTA is a free and open source email server. MTA stands for Mail Transfer Agent. It is used for bulk mailing because it has features like IP rotation and many more. These are advanced features that normal mail servers like Postfix or XM do not include. Kumo MTA is the only mail server that is this advanced and also open source at the same time. The advantage of being open source is that you will get regular updates for free, no matter how many times they are released. You can install it freely on any VPS. On their website, you can also see which companies are currently using Kumo MTA. The list is right there. Many popular companies are migrating to Kumo MTA. As you scroll down their website, you will see more details about it. You will also find a comparison between Power MTA and Kumo MTA there, so you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. They also have their configuration details available. When you go to the documentation section and click on the user guide, you will find a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Kumo MTA. The user guide covers the installation process and the server requirements in detail. You will need a VPS with port 25 open. I have provided a list of VPS providers where port 25 is open, so you can purchase from those only. Make sure to buy your VPS from the recommended providers, because with other providers port 25 is usually blocked. All major operating systems are supported: Alma Linux, Debian, Ubuntu and more. The tutorials I have created are based on Ubuntu. Debian, Ubuntu, Kali, Nginx, and CentOS 7 are also supported, though CentOS 7 is not recommended. RHEL version 7, 8, and 9 are all supported. Kumo MTA also supports Docker, which means you can run it in a containerized environment as well. You can use it on almost any operating system, as nearly all major OS platforms are supported. The documentation also shows installation via Docker. However, in my course I have shown installation without Docker, so both approaches are covered. If you are running multiple services on the same server, keep in mind that you should dedicate a separate VPS exclusively for your mail server. Do not run any other service on the same IP address that you are using for the mail server. If the IP gets blacklisted, it will affect your entire setup. So you will find all the information here. In this video, that is what I wanted to share with you. You can get all the main details from the landing page. If you need any support, you can WhatsApp me for pricing and payment method details. You can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. All contact details are available in the description.